Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. I am your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. With 10th class, we will have our lecture number 8, and we will continue our exercise 1.3, question number 10. This is a new type of equation. You know that this is the reciprocal equation. By replacing x with 1 over x, there will be no change. So that was introduced in the previous lecture. So for solving this equation, remember that we have to convert it into the standard quadratic equation. This is biquadratic equation, power 4. And we will convert it into standard quadratic equation which involves x square. So that's why dividing both sides by x square. So x4 over x square minus 2x cube over x square minus 2x square over x square plus 2x over x square and plus 1 over x square, that is 0 over x square. So dividing both sides by x square, after cancellation we have x square minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. Now rearranging, we will have x square plus 1 over x square, first and last. After that, we will have number 2, second time we will write down this one, minus 2x plus 2 over x, and at the end minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 common, x minus 1 over x plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Dear students, now you have the proper shape of equation, and here it is very easy to substitute. Let x minus 1 over x is equal to y, this one, and you have to find the value of this one. So for finding this value, squaring both sides, x minus 1 over x whole square, that is equal to y square. Open up the formula of square, first square minus 2 into first second plus second square, that is equal to y square. X and x cancelled out. Bring this minus 2 to the other side. X square plus 1 over x square is equal to y square plus 2. Remember that this is your value of x square plus 1 over x square, and this is the value. You can see we have divided throughout by x square. After simplifying, rearranged, taking minus 2 common from here. First of all, we took x minus 1 over x is equal to y, squaring both sides. After simplifying, we got the value of this first bracket, x square plus 1 over x square. Therefore, our equation reduces to y square plus 2. Instead of x square plus 1 over x square, y square plus 2. Then minus 2y, and minus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 and minus 2 cancel out, and we are left with y square minus 2y is equal to 0. You can take common, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Remember that you have y is equal to 0 and y minus 2 is equal to 0. By backward substitution, because your value was not in y, your question was in variable x, so that's why we converted it. Instead of y, x minus 1 over x is equal to 0 from here. Similarly, x minus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 0. Dear students, after that, you will multiply with LCM you will multiply with LCM. Here is multiplying because LCM is x in both cases. So multiplying both sides by x into x minus x into 1 over x is equal to 0. Similarly, x into x minus x into 1 over x minus 2x is equal to 0 into x is 0. They are cancelled out. We are left with x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Here is x square minus 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. X square is equal to 1. Taking square root on both sides, you will have x is equal to plus minus 1. Write down this in standard form. X square minus 2x is equal to 0. Here you will have this equation. A is equal to 1, apply quadratic formula, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 1. Using values in quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a, x is equal to minus into minus 2 plus minus b square is minus 2 square minus 4, a and c is minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So x is equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus minus plus over 2, 2 plus minus 8 under root over 2. You know that 8 under root can be written as 2 into 2 under root divided by 2. Take 2 common from here, 1 plus minus 2 under root over 2, 2 cancelled out. So dear students, we have the answer. Solution set is plus minus 1 and 1 plus minus 2 under root. How many answers you got this? Definitely you got 4 answers. Plus 1, minus 1. 1 plus 2 under root, 1 minus 2 under root. And what was the maximum power of your equation? That was x4. So that's why how much the degree is, you will get the values of same number. 4 degree, 4 answer. 2 degree, 2 answer. 1 degree, 1 answer. 3 degree, 3 answers. 3 values of x in fact. So this is the proof that your answer will contain, according to the degree of the equation, value of variable will be equal to the degree of equation. I hope that you understood this one. After that, we have question number 11, and question number 11 is same, just like question number 10. You will divide both equations, both sides of equation by x square, then simplify and you will get your correct option. After that, question number 12, this is another type of equation. This is exponential equation. 4 into, this is not decimal, this is multiplication, remember that. 4, it is not 4.2, this is 4 multiplied by 2 power 2x plus 1, 9 into 2 power x and then plus 1 is equal to 0. Dear students, you can check. We are given an exponential equation. First of all, break down this power. You know that powers are, if the bases are same, powers are added, you will get 2x plus 1 again. Again I am repeating, bases are same, powers are added. And if power is composite form, then you can split up. You can break down this power in this way. 2 raised to power 2x and 2 raised to power 1. That will be equal to 2 raised to power 2x plus 1. But here 4 into 2 is 8 into 2 raised to power 2x minus 9 into 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now substituting, let 2 raised to power x is equal to y implies that taking square on both sides, you will get 2 raised to power 2x is equal to y square. So instead of 2 raised to power 2x, you will apply y square. This is 8y square minus 9 and 2 raised to power x is equal to y here. So we are left with this equation. Here 8 1 by 8 and 8 and 1 are making minus 9. I am writing down this directly. Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. And after multiplying, you will get plus 8y square. So taking 8y common, y minus 1, minus 1 common, y minus 1 is equal to 0. You have taken minus 1 common, internal sign will change. Here is y minus 1 into 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0, 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 over 8. You got your answer in terms of y, but the question was in variable x. So by backward substitution, you can check y is 2 raised to power x is equal to 1. 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 8. Remember that 1 is always power of something power 0. Because base was 2 and I was taking 2 power 0, actually it is equal to 1, no problem, that is same. Similarly, 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 and 8 was written as 2 power 3, and when you break it up, it will become 2 power minus 3. So from here, the rule is, if base is equal to base, power is equal to power. Base is equal to base, power is equal to power. Similarly, 2 is equal to 2, base is equal to base, power is equal to power. Your solution set is 0 and minus 3. That is your answer. I hope that you got the idea. After that, we have question number 13 and question number 14. Question number 13 and 14 are similar. So we can choose question number 14, similar, a little difference. After that, we have question number 14. 2 power x power plus 64 into 2 power minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Dear students, you can check 2 power x plus 64 and this is 2 power minus x. Bring it to the denominator, its power sign will change. It will become plus x. Now let 2 power x is equal to y. So here you can see y plus 64 over y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is y and this is 64 over y. Multiplying 4 by LCM, you will get y square plus 64 minus 20y is equal to 0. Remember that each and every term is multiplied by LCM and LCM was y. So multiplying y, this y cancelled out here, y square into 20y. Write down in proper order y square minus 20y plus 64 is equal to 0. You have to make the pairs. First and last is multiplied, and 64, you will get 64. By multiplying, adding, you must get, by adding, subtracting, you must get 20. I think it will be, I am writing down directly. Now you have solved so many questions for finding the pairs by factorization method. So we have 16y and minus 4y. Remember that minus 16 minus 4 is minus 20, and after multiplying you will get plus 64. That is equal to 0. After that you will take y common, y minus 16 minus 4 common, y minus 16 is equal to 0. Implies that y minus 16 into y minus 4, that is equal to 0, y minus 16 is equal to 0, y minus 4 is equal to 0, y is equal to 16 and y is equal to 4. You got value of y, but you must find your answer in terms of variable x. So by backward substitution, you can have y is 2 raised to power x is equal to 16, 2 raised to power x is equal to 4. You know that 2 power x is equal to 16 is actually 2 power 4. Similarly, 4 is 2 power 2. Bases are same, powers are equal. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Your solution set is 4 and 2. That is your answer. Dear students, first of all, 2 raised to power minus x was shifted to denominator. You shifted that. After that, we substituted 2 power x equal to y. There is y, here is y. So we got that. After multiplying by LCM, that is y, we got this equation and write down this equation in the proper standard quadratic equation form. And then we multiplied first and last 64y square, and pairwise minus 16 minus 4, they are added to get minus 20, and they are multiplied to get plus 64 y square. Then taking common from first two as y and minus 4 from first and last two terms, we have written these equations because y minus 16 and y minus 16, they were common in both the terms. So we have taken y minus 16 common from here. What left here? Y, and what left here? Minus 4. Equated and then found the value of y. By backward substitution, we got the value of x in this way. Actually, 16 is 2 power 4, 4 is 2 power 2. So base is equal to base, power is equal to power. So you got that 4 2. I hope that you understood this question. After this, we have question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15 is x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 5, x minus 7 is equal to 192. Dear students, first of all, we will rearrange the brackets in such a way that these constants are added and subtracted to get same number. For example, plus 1 and minus 5, you will get minus 4. And plus 3 and minus 7, you will get minus 4 again. Again, I am repeating, you have to rearrange the brackets in such a way that there are sum of constants. 1 minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 7. Here is minus 4, here is minus 4. So you will use this result to write down the proper bracket side by side. Here is x plus 1 into x minus 5, x plus 3 into x minus 7, minus 192 is equal to 0. Minus 192 is equal to 0. Here you multiply them, x here, then minus 5x plus x minus 5, then x here minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 minus 192 is equal to 0. Here is x here minus 4x minus 5. X square minus 4x minus 5 into x square minus 4x minus 21 minus 192 is equal to 0. Here you have x square minus 4x, x square minus 4x, similar term in both brackets. Therefore substitute. Let x square minus 4x is equal to y. So we have y minus 5, y minus 21, minus 192 is equal to 0. After that, we will multiply y square minus 21y minus 5y plus 105 minus 192 is equal to 0. Here is y square minus 26y and plus 105 minus 192, that will be equal to minus 87 equal to 0. Here we have to make the pairs 29 and 3, because after multiplying you will get minus 87 by square, and adding, subtracting, you must get minus 26. Here will be, remember that bigger component will have negative sign from center, and this sign will be positive because plus minus minus. After multiplying you will get this one. So y square minus 29y plus 3y minus 87 is equal to 0. Y common y minus 29, 3 common y minus 29 is equal to 0. Y minus 29 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies that y minus 29 is equal to 0, y plus 3 is equal to 0. You got this equation in terms of y. Here you can see, by backward substitution, we can write down, instead of y, x square minus 4x. X square minus 4x minus 29 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. After that, you can check our equation that we have. This is basically, we cannot make this pair of this equation, so you will apply the quadratic formula here. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to minus 29. But in case of x square minus 4x minus 3 plus 3, 3 1 the 3 and minus 3 minus 1, it will become minus 4. So here is possibility of the factorization. In the second one, x common x minus 3 minus 1 common x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. These are two values of x, 2 from here and 2 from here. Using quadratic formula, quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a, x is equal to minus into minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4a and c divided by 2a. So x is equal to 4 plus minus, this is 16 plus what will be, here is 116 and x is equal to 4 plus minus 132 under root over 2, 132 under root over 2. So we have, implies that x is equal to 4 plus minus, in the square root, this is 4 into 33 over 2. So we can write down 4 plus minus, take 4 outside, it will become 2. 33 under root over 2. After that, we can write down this one as 2 common, 2 plus minus 33 under root over 2, 2 cancelled out, and we are left with 2 plus minus 33 under root. So your solution set is 3, 1, these are 2 terms, these are 2 roots, and these are 2 roots also. 3, 1, 2 plus minus 33 under root. That is your answer. I hope that you understood this question and you can solve the next question exactly in the same way. I hope that this will be easy for you, and if you have any problem, any confusion, come to me. Inshallah, we will solve it. And okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.